Attention of the House is drawn as regards the people as well as the local artisans who are engaged in traditional clay idol making in the state of Goa. Government of Goa has already imposed ban on selling of plaster Paris Ganesh idol in Goa. Considering that plaster of Paris is very much harmful and polluted commodity where all the water bodies get polluted due to immersion of plaster of Paris idols. In spite of ban, the plaster of Paris idols are brought in Goa from outside state and sold it without any control. The Pollution Control Board keep the vigil to inspect such plaster of Paris idol around Goa. However, in spite of strict inspection, this plaster of Paris idols purchased by public with high cost, but impact of it is very deteriorating and harmful to the biodiversity and contamination of water bodies. I am very much shocked. In spite of ban and discussion in the August House, I could see Ganesh idols of plaster of Paris is piled up presently in Panjim market, which is a serious issue and violation of rule and regulation as ban imposed by government of Goa. Under the circumstances, whether government is going to take harsh action to seal those marketplaces where presently plaster of Paris idols being sold without any permission, inspection or control of the concerned authority in an angle of biodiversity, contamination and pollution of our water bodies in Goa.
Shri Rajesh Fardesai.
1 minute. Minister want to mention something.
Speaker,
Speaker sir, I personally agree with the anxiety expressed by my honorable colleague Shri Premanand Chet. I would like to assure all the members of this August House that we have declared a ban on these plaster of Paris idols. Rest assured that we mean business. I would also seek the cooperation of all of you all in two ways. Number one, let us make it a movement to ban these or boycott these idols. Let us spread the word amongst our voters, our constituency members, and let us take it upon ourselves to be the watchdog for the Environment Department. Should you all know of any places where these idols are being sold, please bring it to our attention.
Already mentioned.
Number two, I'm told Pollution Board is constantly monitoring the situation. But should you know of any specific places, quietly give me the address and I will get them raided. No, they are brought from Maharashtra.
Speaker sir, police department बायलान हाडटा पळय न्ही थंयसरूच बॅन करपाक लायता आनी मार्केटान जर कोणी दवरले आसत जाल्यार तूं हेंका धाडून चॅक करपाक लाय.
Shri